Hey everyone, this is Cindy Emmy. Please excuse the mess. I was in the middle of beading when I got a message saying that my yarn club of the month for September arrived. It is October 1st. So I will be unbagging it now. It's from Bumblebee Acres. I think this is the last one they did this month. This year is September's, and I think I got a Hogwarts one. There's also a Tolkien one, and there might have been one other, but I can't remember because it was a while ago that I got this. So let's see. I've never gotten any Bumblebee Acres before. Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. I like the feel of this bag. This bag, that's weird. I'm going to talk about the bag, but it's like, it's like a stretchy, nice feeling. It's made from composable resin. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, I like it a lot. Okay, so Something Wicked comes this way, September 2020. All right, let me get it out of this bag. That's the. I was gonna show you the sticker, but my pricing and address info is on there. Hopefully that was not seen. Okay, so the something wicked comes this way. Double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldrons bubble. Off the pick by the picking of my thumbs, something wicked this way comes. So it's from Prisoner of Azkaban film. I love the book. That's my favorite of the Harry Potter books. Oh, I love it. So they'll be coming back in January 2021. I know some of this will be going to charity, but you know. Alright, so this is their Bumblebee Acres thing, and oh, it came with a little frog toad. Oh, this is, I think, Polworth? No, it's a croquette sock. I have never worked with this type of wool before, so I'm really excited to use it. It is thick. Like, it's a 75, okay, it's a Corriedale. Corriedale nylon blend, and it's very plump. And it's got 434 ounces. Wow. It's like really plump. It's not all that soft. It is soft, but not as soft as merino, but it is plump. I thought this was going to be a worsted weight. It's just, I think it might be woolen spun or something. I don't know. It's just, oh, I need to figure out what this is going to make. I'm probably going to try making socks out of it because I want to try this, getting some more of their yarn for socks if I like because I've heard Corriedale, though I've heard Polworth, good things about Polworth too, but I think they also offer a Polworth, which is why it's coming into my head as Polworth. I think I was originally going to get the Polworth, but oh, I might need to try some of their Polworth now since my brain will not let that go, but this is just pretty. It's a good Halloween color too. Oh, I need to figure out where I'm going to put this button. So I hope you have a wonderful October. This has been an unboxing of the Bumblebee Acres Fiber Farm September Hogwarts colorway. Hope you have a wonderful month, and God bless.